Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $400. First step, for this you need download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Next step, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that, click registration in this menu in one click, and next you need to choose your current country is United States, and current valued US dollar, and choose your sport or something else what do you like in this menu. Next, you need to enter the current promo code ZANOS24. Next, I will also clarify that any promotional code gives a deposit bonus only once, guys. Be careful. After loading, we will see login and password. Write it down and automatically get into the menu. You need to tap next. Alright, there. In order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. The balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye.